I have the MacBook Neo, and today I'll be showing you what you can do in case the Wi-Fi is not working for some reason. Now, I'll show you a couple of possible problems that could be causing your Wi-Fi not to work and possible solutions. So one of these should fix your problem. Now, the first thing you want to do is just go and make sure Wi-Fi is on. And if it's already on and probably connected to a certain Wi-Fi network and it's still not working, you can try turning Wi-Fi off and then give it about 5 to 10 seconds and then turn it back on and see if it works. So you can go and connect to that Wi-Fi network you want to use or allow your MacBook to automatically connect depending on what you want. But if you want to connect manually, you can go and try to connect once again. Now, if that doesn't fix your problem, you might want to go and do the same on your Wi-Fi router. So go to your router and turn it off at the wall and then give it about 10 to 15 seconds as well. And then unplug it completely from the wall. And then now you can plug it back in, switch it on and see if it's now going to work on your MacBook Neo. Now, in case you're connected to Wi-Fi but no internet, you can try and check with other devices, including your iPhone. Connect your iPhone to that same Wi-Fi network and see if you're able to access the internet. You can fire up an app like YouTube and see if that works. Now, if you're still having trouble, you can go back to Wi-Fi settings, and then you want to completely forget that specific Wi-Fi network you're having problems with. So for instance, if it's this one, I can simply come to these three dots, click on that, and then select forget this network. Now, before you do that, there are a couple of things you can do. So if you go to this option and go to network settings, you can see the network settings of this specific Wi-Fi. Check if anything looks off. For instance, you might have turned on low data mode, and that could be causing you problems. Or you might have a private Wi-Fi address or automatically join this network disabled. So all these things need to be exactly the way they are right here. Okay, so just like that. So I'm going to click OK, make sure everything is exactly the way it's supposed to be. Now, if you're still having problems, then now you can forget the Wi-Fi network. So click on the three dots and then select forget this network. That's going to completely unpair your MacBook Neo from that Wi-Fi network. Now, once you do that, then you can go ahead and now connect again manually. So it's going to be under other networks. So you want to connect. You'll be required to, of course, key in the password again. So I'm going to hit connect. One of the problems you might be having is that the Wi-Fi password might have been changed and you're not quite aware. Okay, so make sure you type in the password. At this point, if the Wi-Fi password was changed and you're not aware, you'll get to know because it's going to refuse to connect. Now, if all those things work, and if all those things you've tried and still you have problems, the next thing you can try is to restart your MacBook Neo. So just go ahead and go to the restart option and restart your MacBook. So once you restart your MacBook and connect to that specific Wi-Fi network, it should at least be working right now. That's if you've confirmed that the Wi-Fi is actually working using another device. So of course, if it's not working when you try to use another device, that means the problem is not with your MacBook Neo, but with the other device. With the router or the service provider. So those are the things you can do in case Wi-Fi doesn't seem to be working on your MacBook Neo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.